Hi there folks, welcome back. Today's wee video we're going to have a look at getting rid of the windscreen wiper motor, the windscreen wipers. Maybe tackle the wiring loom, ancillary relays and bits and pieces, try and get them away from the body. It also will go for the lights, indicators and anything else we can get rid of in the one day. Also think it's also a good idea if you want to dismantle any wiring or anything, always take some still photos just of how things were wired. I know you're going to be replacing them and renewing wiring looms and things, but it's always handy to have a record of how they were when they worked. As you can see, the ever present, the dog. I try a slightly different format today. I'm not going to time lapse this video, I'm just going to leave it running on natural. Obviously I'll edit out the boring bits, me searching for tools and stuff, but other than that I'll just leave it run as it is and see what you think of that. The windscreen wiper doesn't want to come off. Give a bit of gentle persuasion, shall we? That's how they should come off. Let's try a bit of persuader. Not wanting to play. Bit of twisty, wee bit of lever. Oh, we're going. Yeah, why is it the easy jobs can sometimes be the hardest jobs? We're off. There we go. It's been arrow-dated on. That's what we're going to get it off. Ah, you can see the spline's all worn away. Obviously somebody thought it was a good idea to arrow date it on. Anyway, it's off now. Little washer jets, and if you just unscrew the actual jet itself, the actual nozzle, you can get a spanner on it. obviously with the nozzle jets on you can't really get a spanner on it, so whip them off, makes it easier for you. Doing this a bit back to front, as you can see, it's it's putting up a bit of resistance, and hence in hindsight I should have removed the washer tube first, which you will see later on in the video. So a wee tip for you, take the washer jet feed pipe off first before you try and take the washer jets off, because it just jams it up later on. You know, a wee bit of the Lucy juice. So we're getting the wee blanking caps off. This one's already loose. So spin it out from above, seeing as it's loose. And we'll go to the other side. See, 30th of the 4th, 12, that was when the tax ran out, that was when it came off the road the last time. It's been languishing both in my trailer and then in the garage since then. Take the covers off from the wiper. Just loosen the drive shaft because it means you can then twist it. Be more of this old firewall insulation, soundproofing, call it what you want. Rotten foam is what I call it. Straight in the bin. Get the screwdriver with the engine on it. Just the 2 screws that hold it. Rack it round the body of the motor. can twist the motor, the drive. Makes it a lot easier to come out. And back to that. The feed pipe to the washers. Should have started with that job. We live and we learn. Set windscreen wiper motors out. As I say, there's still a little bit of the feed tube stuck to the underside of the washer jet, which has stopped it coming off. So, time to get some eyes on the job. Ooh, a few grey hairs there, isn't there? Finally. Get to the end of this and get this one a wee bit easier. As soon as we know, it's always easier in hindsight, as I say. You know what you're doing. I just don't. Anyway, we get there in the end. That's all that matters. I'm going to do another couple of videos. As I say, the videos are already shot. As you can see, the last wee bit of barb there stops it coming off. But I've split this session of work into a few videos to see how you prefer, whether you prefer to watch it in real time or the time lapse as well. Just see what you think. Look forward to some feedback from you. So if you liked the wee video of the day, thanks for watching. Don't forget, like and subscribe.